ALGOBOX clips.
Oh man, look at that beautiful breakthrough right there. Look at that breakthrough. All right, so we come down. Boom, alpha omega, boom. We want to break. It's a big one. It's a blue. Yes, please. Plus, we've got an enigma behind it. Plus, it's the favorable direction of the day. Yes, let's go. And the MACD histogram starting to turn red. Up top, we are yes, matter at buy. Only thing going against you is right here. But what did we have? Did we have high time frame that could be turning? Yes, we do. High time frame here, divergence there. Boom. So high time frames are telling us yes, we could reverse here. So we can now not necessarily ignore this, acknowledge it, but did we get a play that could go with the high time frame? Oh yeah. Yeah, we did. Plus it's the enigma. I mean, come on.
Press the like button, share, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts and what you've learned.